Welcome to C Programming, Graphic Programming with C. I am Shaji. In this video, we are going to see a small program to draw a circle with the C language. So here we are using the header file for the graphics, that is hash include graphics.h. We have to include the graphics header file. So hash include graphics.h. So the graphic derivatives functions and all are given in this header file. All are prototype this graphics.h header file, and we can include audio.h as well. Audio.h. This is for using HCS. We want to make output stable in the screen so that we can see the output of this program properly. And we will start our main, the entry point of our program. We can declare some integers which are required for the graphics initialization. Okay, for initializing the graphics, we have to use one function, that is init graph. Init graph, and the parameters are, there are two parameters you use for this init graph function. So first one is G driver, ampersand driver, that is for the graphics driver, and the second one is ampersand mode. Okay, this is for graphics, we will name it as G mode. So G driver, G mode, both are two variables, and we have to get these values from the system using this method. Init graph, we are using two variables inside this function init graph. One is for the driver, second one is for the mode. Driver is the software utility which is used in the system to display the graphics, and mode is to store the graphic mode. There will be different graphic modes. The basic examples are text mode as well as the graphic display mode. So in the system, if the graphics, if it is displayed with the help of interrupt or with DMA, direct memory access, whatever the methods are using, different techniques are used for displaying different graphic modes in a system. So we want to get what type of mode it is going to be used, and we want the driver. We want to initialize these values with the system. So these two variables, G driver and G mode, we have to initialize. Both the variables are of integer type, and G driver we can initialize manually with the help of delete. That means it is object, is a constant, and this value is going to be detected by the system itself. All the values are going to be detected by the system itself with the help of init graph function. First of all, we have to initialize the graphics. For that, we are using init graph function. So our purpose, our aim in this program is to draw a circle with the C graphic programming. For a circle, we need three elements. One point for the circle, the middle of the circle, and the radius of the circle. For a point, we need two arguments, x value and y value, because we want to draw in a two-dimensional plane. So int x described in graphics.h. In the circle method, it takes three values: x, comma, y, comma, r. So this way the circle is drawn. After drawing the circle, we can set the circle to be stable on the screen itself by using CS, which is prototyped in folio.h file. And once we have finished the graphic purpose, the initialization we have done for the system to use it for the graphics mode, and we have to relieve the graphics mode back to the original form, the text mode. So we can close the graph by using the function close graph, and our main function is of integer type. So let us return zero value close circle integer. Okay, I can save the program. I'm going to run this program, but most probably it is difficult to display the result through this video. But if you view this program, if you execute this program, you can see the output of the circle in your system. I'm going to run it. Control F9. Oh, sorry, some errors are there. Too few parameters in init graph. Of course, init graph requires one more parameter. If you are going to init graph, there are three parameters. The third parameter we are not going to use. It's a string parameter. So just I have given the quotation to make the init graph function satisfied by supplying three parameters. Okay, this error is of C language specification. We have to declare the variables index and all before using a function. So I'm going to plug this and I'm going to place it above the init error. In C language, we have to finish our declarations first, then only we can start using the functions or any other programming aspects of the program. So let's define them.
Again we have one more error here. Wrongly I put t instead of this y, so I'm going to change it to y, and now this program is perfect and it is going to work. And I am going to display the circle with some color. So the color 4 represents kind of red. So you can give any number between 1 and 14. 0 represents black color. Of course, if you want that color, that also can be used, but it won't be visible on the black screen. So some color for the circle that can be used to draw the outer line of the circle. So this is a program to draw a circle. Nothing special in this program except we have used graphics.h header file, and we have initialized graph with the help of init graph, and after successful completion of the program, we have closed it, and we have used a method circle init to draw the circle, and set color is for setting some color for the pen for drawing the circle. Circle takes three arguments. One is x, second one is y, that is the point, middle point of the circle, and the radius r. If you want to reduce or increase the size of the circle, you can do it by changing the radius of the circle. If you want to change the placement of the circle, if you want to place the circle somewhere else, you can change the values of x or y so that the circle can be placed anywhere on the screen according to your wish. Okay, this is program for drawing a circle with simple graphics programming in C. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please feel free to contact me. My email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.